Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn your account private on the Instapaper application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the menu icon that you can see in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon down below. Scroll down till you find the profile section in the middle of the screen, and as you can see there are two options that you can choose from, private or public. As you can see here, if your profile is set to public, your friends can view the articles that you have added to the to your section of favorite articles or liked items, and find you via the connected social networking sites. So tap on the first option if you would like to set it to private, and as you can see now this function has been updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.